Hey guys, welcome to Rockin' the Heat. My name's Colton, and today we have mail. Mail from some awesome people. Anyways, so this is what I was waiting for earlier today. It came, yay! If it didn't come and came tomorrow, then it's going to be sitting in the sun if I didn't find someone to come get the mail for me. Speaking of which, James J told me I need to find someone to get the mail for me while I'm gone. What's he sending me? I have an idea. And if he's sending me what I think he's sending me, I don't know. I don't know how to repay him really, but we'll see. We'll see what he's sending me. So, not gonna get my hopes up for you. Right. So, I was gonna munch a pod, open this box. Jason said they threw in a couple surprises, or a surprise, or something. So, we'll see. I've got a purple ghost. Start purple, turn red. Doesn't really look like a ghost to me. It's number 68 on Linda's. You know how I know it's 68? I know it's 68 because all of her numbers are upright and torn on the top. They're all torn on the upright side of the number. So that's how you hold it when you're looking at it. And the 8 itself has a smaller hump on top, and it's a fatter belly on the bottom. So that's how I know it's not 89. It's definitely a 68. I think Joe had the same question over at Heating Up, and his answer that he got was a start purple, turn red. So let's chop this open, munch it. I am not trying to be in a hurry. But I just wrapped up work, and I gotta get home so we can get camping. The sooner I get home, the sooner we can leave. But I really wanted to do this for you guys. There's that pod. Smells a little hot. I think I'm starting to understand what the hot smell is. Otherwise it smells fruity and good. Might be a slow burn. It was a thicker walled pepper. Not super thick, but a little thicker. Yeah, it was alright. Half decent. Wash down some seeds real quick. Switch some water around, get the burn going. Oh, I need my knife still. Just a sec. Oh, no. Thought we were getting some equipment coming into the driveway, but it's a swather heading down the road. I've got the big garage door open so I can see out there. But, all right, so let's get into the package. Hope everybody's having a good Thursday. The burn's climbing a little bit. Kind of the top back of my tongue and kind of all over my mouth. I did swish water around my mouth though. All right, let's get into this. Oh man, okay, so first off, they got a cool, I like how they seal. They got a wax seal. Not sure if it'll focus in on it, but it's a skull. Let's go ahead and read that first. Thank you so much for your order and the support. Hope you enjoy all of these challenges. We will let you know when merch is available, because I contacted them about merch. In the bottom it says, P.S. Never mind Kim, she was having a bad day, and Dylan is just weird? Huh? I don't really get it. Huh. Must have been something they said earlier. Or something. I don't know. Something we discussed. Kim was having a bad day. What do we got here? Oh, looks like someone drew me some pictures. Oh, man. Yeah, so it looks like Kim drew me a picture. Apparently she was having a great day with Jason and Dylan. Yeah, I'll have to hang that one up. Thanks, Kim. That's thoughtful. Aw. What's this? Oh, Dylan. You shouldn't have, man. You guys must have had a lot of fun on the 4th. I don't know why he's calling him weird. I mean, it's just a firework. There's nothing weird about that. It's just a rocket shooting up. Yeah, I'll definitely be hanging those guys. Thank you so much, guys. All right, so what else do we got? We have Late for Work koozie. Oh, it's got peppers on the back? What? I'm totally using that camping this weekend. Yeah. This is the disclaimer and rules and stuff, I think. Yep. Oh, we got... Oh, are these pods? These look like dried pods. Tried to slice it open. I'm sweating a little bit. It's warm in the shop. We have Jeff's Peppers, from Jeff's Peppers and from Late for Work. Carolina Reaper pods, dried. Not much for dried pods, I'm going to tell you the truth, but I am for making sauces, and these might go in a sauce. We'll see, we'll see. I'm definitely going to at least munch one for you guys. I gotta. And Ghost Pods. Nice. That's awesome. That's sweet. Okay. Ooh, a car decal? Late for Work window decal. I'm not going to pop this open. I want to keep it nice in here. But a car decal. I've actually been thinking about that recently with the stickers I've been collecting. I think this is the only hobby slash interest slash whatever you want to call it, lifestyle that I've been involved in that I actually want to put stickers on my car. In the past, nope, never. So here's a bottle with some clear fluid in it that says Late for Work hashtag. Should I smell it? Don't know what it is. Maybe it's just hand sanitizer. Should I spray some on my hands? Oh man, if this isn't hand sanitizer, they're probably just shaking their heads right now. Well, maybe it smells good. It didn't smell good when I... Oh yeah, I feel the power now. I don't know what that stuff is, guys. A sweet Late for Work badged microfiber cloth. And they said merch isn't available. Oh, that got stuck there. Late for Work bottle opener keychain, which I probably will also use this weekend. Oh, capping come off of your bottle and shipping. Might consider putting a wrap of tape all the way around the bottle vertically. I don't know if it'll cause the label to peel off, but just Scotch tape. Just right around the bottle. It'll keep it from coming off. Whoa. Reaper Racha. Pepper sauce. From, oh, Puckerbutt. I haven't had anything from Puckerbutt yet. Puckerbutt Pepper Company. Okay. I'm already looking at the ingredients, but anyways. Awesome. Reaper Racha. That's such cool artwork on there, guys. It's going to be blurry for you. There we go. That's a little better for you. It's cool artwork. My wife has a skull similar looking to that on her thigh with some like flower vines going through the skull and coming out. Wipe a little sweat off here. And then I might only open one of these because I think I know what's in each one. Oh wait, maybe I don't. Ooh, I don't want to crush whatever's in here. Okay. We're going to do this differently. I kind of wanted to reuse the bag. Man, this is stuck. This is good stuff, guys. Okay, so this is one of the challenges. Number one. Come on. Let me rip you open. Number two. Wait. What is this? Oh, it's a different colored bag. I just thought it was something different. I was like, what? What? Three. I suppose I could show that for a second. Scorcher Torture 2.0, yo. Whoop, whoop. Don't worry, I'm not crushing your chocolate. It might look like it, but... Three. Nope, four. I can count. Promise. 4, 5. I mean, jeez. Oh, whatever this is, I know what this is. It's a chocolate bar. I know what it is. It's a milk chocolate bar. We were discussing it a little bit, but I can feel by the shape that it's a chocolate bar. What chocolate bar is it? I just saw a video about this. Oh my gosh. Are you guys serious? They got me a Linda's Level Up bar, the medium. It's dark chocolate with apple cinnamon, caramel filling, infused with cayenne peppers. My wife actually might be able to have some of this. Man, thanks guys. That's killer. That is everything in the box other than some gloves for some funny business. I don't know what they want me to use the gloves for. It's crazy. Okay. I guess I will put all these back after I say my goodbyes because I gotta get going on home, guys. But oh, pepper burp. That was a pretty good one. Thanks again to Kim, Jason, Dylan. Anything that I josh around about, it's 100% joking. I hopefully by now you've learned to just not take me seriously. So yeah, really appreciate it, guys. I don't know exactly when I'll work in the challenge. The challenge being doing as many as I can in a row. I'm not going to do them side by side or in tandem or in parallel. I'm going to do one and then do the next and then do the next and then throw up and rally. No, we'll see what happens, guys. But I'm super excited. I'm going to have an awesome weekend. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend when it comes around for you. And yeah, man, I'm just kind of riding this high. I'm just really stoked. Awesome. Rock on, guys. No, oh, that's right. My album of the day. My album of the day, a buddy turned me on to Whitechapel the other day. And so today I listened to The Valley by Whitechapel, the album, most of it. He wants me to do a cover of When a Demon Defiles a Witch. The guitar part in there is pretty heavy, pretty awesome. Anyways, my last rock on, and I'll see you later.